Before watching this video, don't forget to download the example located in the information bar. Hello everyone, in this class I'll teach you how to format as a table. As we open an Excel includes forms, you'll see the table with black line and white background, and it may not look so delicate. To solve this problem, we can format the form. First, you choose the cell that you want to format. If you forget how to select the form or you just want to adjust the size of column and row, you can click on the information bar in the upper right corner to review the Lesson 1 and Lesson 3. Second, click the Format as Table in the Home tab, and let's see the video. You select the cell that you want to format and click the Format as Table in the Home tab and click OK. Notice that every table includes filtering by default, which will let you sort your data or narrow it down, depending on what you need, and you can apply filtering anytime using the drop-down arrows here. And let's see the video. And you can just enter your data in any adjacent column or row, and it will be wrapped into the table automatically. Like this, I insert, and it will be wrapped into the table automatically. You can also click, drag and hold to expand the formatted table range. And let's see the video. You click, hold and drag. You can create any size table you need. Besides, you can choose the cell style to make it more decorative. Similar, choose the font and click Cell Style in the Home tab. And let's see the video. First, you choose the cell that you want to format and choose Cell Styles in Home tab. At the end, you will get a beautiful and decorative form. And that's all our content in this class. If you like this video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe our channel PassByValue NCKU. Thanks for your attention.